Good morning, this is Philip, and today I want to share a portion of the garden with you. I call this the Hellstrip area. It's technically not probably a Hellstrip, but it's a 4 to 5 foot space between the street and our front fence. So I'm starting here on the corner, and this is a pine called Taylor's Sunburst. The new growth is bright yellow. It's always really pretty in the spring. And on the corner of the fence is a rose called Seafoam. It can be grown as a climber or a shrub. It's pretty vigorous. And intermingled with Seafoam is Clematis durandi, one of my favorites. This is a shrub clematis, and it blooms off and on all summer long. Has a really dark color, and I just love it. It's really pretty. So I've stepped inside the fence here to get better access. This is Baptisia, and the rose is Lady of Shalott, a David Austin rose that I really love. One of the first roses that I planted in about 2017, so it's a big rose. Moving on down, we have Roseanne geranium and a dappled willow, which is just a monstrous grower, grows really fast. We trim it several times a year, just keeps coming back for more. Probably too big for the area, but if you need something for a screen or privacy, you might consider that. It's not evergreen though. Kind of have a hole here at the bottom where we took out a big ceanothus last year. It's just getting too big. I planted 2 roses, 2 of my favorite roses from our previous garden. This is Lida Rose, and to the right is Ballerina, which looks pretty similar, except Ballerina is a little bit darker pink. Both of these will get really large, probably larger than the ceanothus, so I'll have another problem when that happens. Smoke tree royal purple. We do a lot of trimming on that too. And a shrub rose called Robin Hood, which just looks fantastic right now. Really nice rose. It's carefree, doesn't have many problems. And the ground cover here is Helianthemum, a sunrose called Ben Nevis. Another old rose here on the fence called Alchemist, a once bloomer. Beautiful color variation there. And we're coming up on one of my favorite roses, an old rose called Velschenblau, also known as the blue rose. A once bloomer, but really magnificent. Pretty vigorous too. It will cover quite a distance in a short time. And this is the front gate and our giant mailbox. The rose on the right is Climbing Dublin Bay, the red one. And the clematis is Jackmani superba on the right, Madame Julia Coravon on the left. So looking at the other side, you can see the clematis and the roses a little bit better. Especially Velschenblau is just really pretty right now. And we're back out on the street in front of to the right of our front entrance. Going to show you another spectacular clematis on the mailbox. This is called Tiega. It's a really unique one. And then looking to the right, I've got a few holes because I lost a few things during the winter. Not a lot, but a few. Very excited to see the foxtail lily coming up and blooming. Okay, gonna pan out and take one street. As it starts to get a little bit sunnier, we've had a marine layer this morning, which is a good time to make a video, but it's about to burn off. So we should be getting some sun here in a minute. So thank you for watching, and I hope to have more videos soon.